LIDR stock analysis next week, Monday. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 5 years and 43,000 of experience, videos of experience, and it's all on my YouTube channel. Like, you cannot fake this. And it wasn't until I paid tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors that I figured out finally what's working, that everything changed. And if you've been watching any of my previous videos, you will know that even before this pump with LIDR or AI stock, I was bullish when it was $1 right here. Now after that, this thing pumped, and then I milked this bullish bias here as well. That was good. It's so sick. From 3 to like just beneath 480, and then going into this next week, I just hope there is no gap ups. I just hope my rules are actually met at this point, and then I buy. Other than that, I guess I'm not going to be pulling no triggers here and just waiting for rules. And with LIDR, I mean, there is a good amount of receipts with the results in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.